checking. So this LED work, and capacitor. This is a storage of the AC power voltage. So test after remove these LED lights. So this is be careful listening to sound original of this charging capacitor. So this experiment is very successfully to 100%. Step up transformer, 6 pin of step up transformer, and so IRF digital bodies and MOSFET and channel. So step up transformer, and 225 joule 400 volts of capacitor, and heatsink, aluminum heatsink, and ion 007 diode. So using a ion. So let's begin start on this making started. So this project. So first continuity mode, select multimeters and buzzer mode. So perfect, everything is correct. And first check of these secondary coils and first coil. This is the input terminals of this coil numbers. So number 1 coil, and number 2 coils. So clear visibility and zoom in. So buzzer sound clearly speak to you. And secondary coil, and then output coil. This is not buzzer of the 212 ohms resistance. Then that is a output coil. So connection first this, and a circuit diagram provide to you. testing. So this LED work and a successfully experiment. So spark test. Positives, negative wires, battery and positive battery, positive wires. So guys, it is very powerful. This high voltage generator. So dangerous. So this is be careful listening to sound original of this charging capacitor. So guys, this is a very dangerous experimental. So this capacitor is short, dead. And capacitor is leakage. So this is not working from the first level after. So guys, this is not. So dead. This MOSFET overheating short and this capacitor is leakage over high voltage short circuit.